Alright, good morning, good afternoon, or maybe it's a good night. In this video, I want to show you how to create a mock-up of your ebook cover. I can see that the previous video I sent is causing some confusion. So you're going to go to your Google Chrome and you type DIY book covers, DIYbookcovers.com. Let's go there. DIYbookcovers.com. I hope it's this one. Oh, it's not this one. DIY mockup. I think it's this one. DIY mockup. DIY mockup. Mock covers. So I'm here now, and I will choose the one I want. There are two categories of covers here, so I'm going to choose the one I want. These ones are single. You can see here that they say it's single, so I can choose the one that is double. Have you seen it? Just go here, choose the composite, and it will appear double. So I'm going to which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? Alright, which one should we choose? Okay, let me choose this one here. So when I choose this one here, I will go up and I will click on next, and I will come here and upload my picture. Oh, this one has a so I will browse. Let me just look for one of those pictures that you have created. Where are they? Where are those ebook covers that you have created? Okay, let me use this one. Okay, this is his scars. This template I chose has a bleed. So let me just upload another. But you're supposed to create something for that bleed, or you choose another one that does not have a bleed. Bleed is the. I hope this one will work. So when you have finished uploading them all, you click on next, upload. Okay, let's see if it's going to work. Okay, so I've done that, and I'm going to select the type of. I will do the two of them so that I will know the difference. I will select PNG. I hope it's downloading. Okay, it's coming. Look at it here. Let me open it and see how it is. Okay, PNG is like this. It's the white one. Let's go back and do the JPEG. It's coming. Okay, it's come. Okay, let's go and open it somewhere so that it will be very clear. So if you go to your gallery now, it's going to, where is that free animation? Let me post it here. So I'm just going to post it here so that you see what it looks like. This is it. Like, I didn't really do it very well. Something is missing on the other side of this big one. I don't know why it's like that. Or you can choose another one and do it better than my own. Okay, so okay, let's go back and see if we can choose another. Let's go back and see if we can choose another back. Let's choose another one that does not have, I don't know why it's, let's choose single. Okay, let's choose single. I just choose single. Let me choose this one. Okay, it's already here, so we'll just download it. Why is it not showing? I don't know. I think it's from the design or whatever, but it's supposed to show. I don't know why it's not showing. I don't know why it's not showing. So, but this is how it's done. Your own will show. I don't know why this one is not showing. I don't really know why it's not showing. Let me see if I can choose another. Here are those ebooks. Okay, covers. Here are they now. This is an ebook cover. This is not a book cover. Your own will show. Just try it out and let me know. It's going to show. I think there's a problem with that design. I'm not the one that designed it, so try it and let me know how it works for you. Okay, thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribing to my channel, you're not nice. Seriously, you're not. All right, if you got value, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. God bless you.